About a week ago, His Majesty King Mswati III announced another edition of the Ingwenyam Cup, which began within the four regions of the country. At the beginning of this week, the management committee of the tournament, together with SWAZI Football Association, announced that the national champions of the regions will walk away with an amount of 40,000 emalangeni, an amount that has never existed within any region of the country when it comes to Super League. The chairman of the whole Regional Football Association, Comfort SHONGWE, who represents other regions in the committee of the tournament, has hailed His Majesty King Mswati III for another edition of Ingwenyam Cup and emphasized that introducing it at the regional level will boost the competition within regions.
The competition will be extremely high, given that you will compete first with your region to get that stage of getting that carrot of 40,000. It will be very high. It will be very high. And another thing, what will make it high, that now we are competing with another region. Now we are carrying the torch of that region. That will make it really high. So I can urge people to come and watch the games, because from the very inset of the tournament, the competition will be high. Given that at a regional level, a champion will get a fair check of 40,000. It's a rare entity to happen in our region. Even us in HHOHHO, we are trying, but we haven't ushered such an amount to a champion of ours.
Johannes S. Sposa, who is the chairman of the tournament, says a charges fee depends on where the games are played.
Where games will be played in a closed stadium, we will charge, but the charges are just minimal. If it's just one game, we will charge 5 emalangeni, and 2 games up, we will charge 10 emalangeni. So it is not particularly that we want all the games to be played in a closed stadium, but where the regions are playing, they will feature the games where the Super League teams usually play. So it is just an open secret that we are going to play next to the nation, because the Ingwenyam Cup wants to start from all the corners of the country.
He says the issue of the grounds seemed to have been resolved, considering the fact that regions have potential stadiums where they can host games. Sposa concluded by asking fans and members of the public to once again behave well as they did in the previous edition of the Ingwenyam Cup. For SWAZI TV Sports, Fabrice Msonela, Swasani Mabuza, Mbabane.